Alright friends, now we are moving on to recursive functions. A recursive function is a function that calls itself to solve a problem. So what's a recursive function? It's a technique where a function keeps calling itself with a smaller input until a base condition is met. So we will learn about what's the base condition. So let me explain the concept first, and we will understand how recursion works step by step through examples. So let's say I want to calculate the factorial of a number using recursion. So inside the main function, let's call my function can be factorial, and then I want to calculate 5 factorial, for example. I will return after calculating this value. So I copy these, I come here and I paste it. So what's my function name? My function name is factorial. So I paste here, so inside the parentheses, I define integer n. Okay. So the type of the function will be integer. I will return back integer value. So what I need to do? I need to calculate the factorial. So after, for ending, I need to define a base condition. So what's the factorial? For example, 5 factorial equals to, I open my pen, 5 factorial equals to 5, and then times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So let's calculate it using recursive function. So I come here, I say return n times, and then I call the function again, factorial n minus 5. Minus 1. So at the beginning, n is 5. So I return back 5 times factorial 4. So what's factorial 4? I call the function again, n becomes 4 here. So factorial 4 equals to here times 4 times factorial 3. So what's factorial 3? Is 3 times factorial 2. So what's factorial 2? 2 times factorial 1. So what's factorial 1? 1 times factorial 0. It continues like that. But I need to stop the loop. So how I can stop it? When n becomes 0, I will return 1 as a factorial 0. So at the end, I will take as a result 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Because 1 here is a neutral element for multiplication. It doesn't affect anything. So I come here, I close my pen. So I open my if condition. I say if n is not equal to 0, let's calculate this and return back. But I open my else condition, I open my here parentheses, I return back this. After that, I open my else condition. So in my else condition, what does it mean? If n equals to 0, I return 1. Alright. I return the factorial of this number. So what I need to do? I need to assign to a variable. So I come here, I say integer result equals to factorial 5. And then let's print factorial 5. I come here, I say system.out.println. So inside the println, I say 5 factorial equals to, and then what I need to do? I need to print this result. Alright, so let's run my program. Let's run it. You see 5 factorial equals to 120. Is it correct? Yes. So if I change it from 5 to 4 and I change the output also, so I come here and I run my program again, you see 4 factorial equals to 24. Is it correct? Yes. So the important thing is here, we need to define a base condition because I need to stop calling itself. How I stop it? When n becomes 0, I stop calling itself. So just be careful about it. I hope you understand the logic of recursive function.